I hope you're starting to see a theme emerge in accessible presentation design. Accessible slides are achieved through a combination of content decisions and context decisions combined with leveraging the functionality of your slide application. How you display hyperlinks on slides is very much a contextual decision. In the deck we're working on, there are two kinds of hyperlinks. First, there are full-text hyperlinks, like this link to a Moodle site. When a screen reader user reads this link, they're going to hear every character of the link spoken out loud, which is going to sound something like this.
https://a13.modal.umn.edu/course/view.php question it equals 14079.
That's a full-text hyperlink. We also have embedded hyperlinks, where the link is embedded in some of the text. In the title of this slide, Handling Disruptive Behavior, the hyperlink is embedded in the text of Disrupting Behavior. I know this is a hyperlink because it is styled with underlined blue text, which is the default way that PowerPoint displays hyperlinks. And I can double check by using a keyboard shortcut, Command-K on a Mac or Control-K on a PC, which displays a dialog box that shows me the full URL, in this case, to a page on the domain syr.edu. Embedded hyperlinks are easier for a screen reader user to read because the user doesn't need to listen to every character of the hyperlink. Embedded hyperlinks also make for a better looking slide because they're human readable, as well as taking up less room on the slide and are more descriptive than a full text hyperlink. Your audience won't have to click this link to find out where it goes. We know that following this link will lead us to some more information about how to handle disruptive behavior. However, embedded hyperlinks are useless if we print this slide deck. So we need to know in advance whether we're going to be distributing this slide deck electronically or as a hard copy. There's a hybrid of these two options that hits the sweet spot between full-text hyperlinks and embedded hyperlinks that's worth mentioning if you have a situation in which you want your listeners to navigate to a website where they won't have the benefit of downloading the digital slide presentation file, and that's the URL shortener. You may have seen links that have been shortened using the bit.ly or tiny URL shortening services. This Moodle site link is a great example of a place to use a URL shortener, something easy for listeners to remember and easy to copy down during a live presentation. At University of Minnesota, we have this great service called Z-Links, and if you've never created a Z-Link before, I'm going to show you how. All you need to do is copy the full text of your hyperlink to your clipboard, log in to z.umn.edu using your Internet ID, paste the hyperlink, and tell the Z-Link generator what you'd like the shortened link to be. I'd like my Z-Link to read 2016 TA Orientation. In the custom short URL field, I'll go ahead and write 2016 TA Orientation, all one word, not case sensitive. Then I'll hit the button, shorten this URL, and that's all I need to do. Now I can replace this nonsensical, machine-generated URL on the slide with the friendlier, human-readable URL, z.umn.edu/2016 TA Orientation. The Z-Link will be easier for my audience to copy down into their notes. Fantastic!